So how do you make that transition from I'm the one cleaning, I'm the one folding, I'm the one paying the bills, I'm the one making schedule, I'm the one doing everything right now, to bringing other people on? How do you make that transition?
The sooner, the first thing I'll say from my experience is the sooner you can do it, the better off you are. Now, I know that everybody comes to this business from a little bit different perspective, right? Some people need this business. It's not just an investment for them in their future, or, they have some sort of a gig, or they have a bunch of money that they're looking to get return on. This is their business. And I think when I think about those and where I came from, I was an owner operator. That's how I would look at it. There's the owner portions of the business and the operator portions. As soon as you can, if you want to grow to any kind of scale or size, whether that's in the service business or in the coin laundries, you have to separate those two things. The operator perspective, yes, you may have to do that and work shifts for a while, but the sooner you can get yourself away from the thing that you can pay somebody $12 to $15 to $20 an hour, then you can focus on the things that you do well, which is, and you may have to learn these things, right? Which is setting up your insurance and saving money on, the different business elements and services and people that you employ, whether that's insurance people or accounting or, all those kind of things. So separating those two roles, I think is probably the biggest key. And I wished I'd have learned that in year 2 instead of year 10.
Yeah. No, that's a genius answer. I love that. And separating the owner and the operator roles and looking to hand off the operator roles and taking on the owner roles. A lot of people are, say, do your high value tasks, and focus on those and delegate your low value tasks. Or to bring it back to Kiyosaki, you were on the left side of the cash flow quadrant, which is the self-employed, Absolutely. And you're moving over to the right side of the cash flow quadrant, which is business owner, right? And if you haven't read that book, go look at, go search it online and check out the, just the general quadrant and what that is. It was really enlightening for me. And if you want to read that book, there'll be a link down below. I'll put that there too. But
yeah, definitely Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Read that one first. If you haven't, it's a quick read. It's a story with and then you got to do cash flow quadrant, because those two things, those two books were the foundation of my entrepreneurial leadership. In fact, I found one on the back of the bathroom toilet that my dad had that had never read. And so I stole it from him.
I did the exact same thing. The same exact thing. My dad had it on the back of the toilet, never read it. That's so funny. Mm-hmm.